Good evening, everyone. I'll be the one to discuss the proper soil management. So, let me first explain what is proper soil management. So, proper soil management is essential for maintaining soil health and fertility, and which in turn supports sustainable agriculture, healthy ecosystems, and food security. So, ang proper soil management, importante talaga siya for keeping the soil healthy and um, full of nutrients. So, kapag ang soil nasa good shape siya, it helps farmer to grow plants na naglalast talaga. And then, it keeps nature balance and make sure that there's enough food for everyone. So, the goal is to make the soil as good as possible, and then maiwasan siya na ma-damage so that mas napapabilis yung pag-grow ng mga plants. So, let's come now to the importance of proper soil management. So, the first one is it enhance the soil fertility. So, kapag mayroong proper soil management, for sure ito ay nakakatulong sa pag-maintain ng mga um, halimbawa na lang ng improvements ng level of essential nutrients sa soil. So, it keeps the soil full of nutrients na for food for plants, and then it ensures that crops receive the nutrients na kailangan talaga nila upang mag-grow sila. And then, so may mga practices naman para sa ma-enhance yung soil fertility sa proper soil management, such as the halimbawa na lang yung mga crop rotation. So, pag sinabi natin crop rotation, ito yung nag-switch yung mga crops na itatanim. And then, we have the organic amendments or like adding natural materials, halimbawa na lang yung mga compost. And then, using the right amount of fertilizer na makatutulong sa pag-nourish ng soil para sa plants. So, the second one is the prevent soil erosion. So, kapag meron tayong proper soil management, halimbawa gumamit tayo ng mga methods like cover cropping, minimum tillage, and contour farming. So, it ensures na marireduce talaga nito yung mga risk sa soil erosion. So, halimbawa, wind and rain kasi can wash or blow away the top layer of the soil, or we can call it topsoil. So, which is full of nutrients plants need to grow, but with the use of this method like cover cropping, so sa cover cropping, yung pagtatanim ng mga small plants like clover between main crops, nag-act siya as blanket na mag-hold dun sa soil in place and soak up rain. So, the next one naman na method na pwedeng gamitin is the minimum tillage. So, plowing less means the soil stay undisturbed. So, it's harder to find for wind and water to move it. So, the less na binubungkal natin yung lupa, mas natutulungan natin na maging maganda yung condition ng soil. So, dito naman tayo sa improve soil structure. So, kapag may proper soil management talaga tayo, may improve natin yung soil structure kasi dapat yung good soil, dapat siya, loose and crumbly. Hindi siya dapat hard and packed. So, kasi yung loose shape ang nag-aalaw sa water na pumasok instead na magre-run off lang siya. Supports water management. So, proper soil management improves water retention and drainage capabilities. Healthy soils with a good structure can hold more water, making crops more resilient during dry periods and preventing waterlogging during heavy rains. So, um, so, ang soil para siya talagang sponge kasi it can hold onto water when it's dry and let extra water drain away when it rains a lot. So, kapag may proper soil care, nagiging loose ang soil and crumbly. Kumbaga, good structure. So, halimbawa na lang kapag dry periods, so, ang field na mayroong healthy soil can store more rainwater in its crumbly spaces. So, kapag drought, yung mga crops, meron pa silang water kasi dahil nga dun sa nasa-store pa din yung mga yung tubig sa crumbly area. So, we have naman the promotes biodiversity. So, kapag may healthy soil management, it supports diverse community of soil organism. So, hindi lang isa, kundi madami sila. Halimbawa na lamang ng bacteria, fungi, earthworms, and insects. These organisms contribute to nutrient cycling, organic matter, maging sa decomposition, and sa overall soil health na din. So, ang soil kasi hindi siya basta lang dirt. Kumbaga, it's a busy home for tons of tiny living things. So, kapag merong good soil, pati yung mga organism doon is meron ding healthy place to live. Increases agricultural productivity. When soil is well managed, nagkakaroon ng mataas na crop yields and better quality produced. So, may mga methods or practices like crop rotation, cover cropping, reduced tillage, na nakatutulong sa pag-sustain ng soil productivity over the long term. So, when soil is taken care of, well, it gives plants everything na kailangan nila para mag-grow. So we have the reduces dependence on chemical inputs. So healthy soil can naturally feed plants and fight off pests. So yung mga farmer, di na nila kailangan na gumamit pa ng any man-made na chemicals. So halimbawa yung mga chemical fertilizer or bug sprays, insecticides, ganun. So, maiiwasan na natin din dito yung pollution and makes the farming more sustainable, and then mas nakakatipid din yung mga farmers kasi hindi na sila gumagamit ng chemicals. Mitigate climate change. So, kapag may proper soil management, nakakatulong ito sa pag-mitigate ng climate change kasi 'di ba yung carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas na nagwa-warm sa planet. So kapag healthy ang soil, it acts like a carbon sink. It soaks up and store the carbon dioxide from the air, which helps cool the earth down. So practices like plowing, minimum tillage, so yung pag-a-add ng compost or dead plants, yung organic matter, and planting cover crops na help niya na matrap yung mga carbon sa soil at we have the protects water quality. So when it rains, water can run off bare soil and carry chemicals like yung mga pesticide, insecticides, or maging yung extra nutrients like mga fertilizer sa rivers, lakes, or mga groundwaters. So, kapag well-managed ang soil, um, it can stop yung mga pag-agos ng mga tubig na yon. If yung loose structure ng soil, nakatutulong to para yung water is ma-absorb ng soil na instead na aagos talaga siya diretso papunta sa mga ilog, sa mga lakes. So, may iwasan natin na makontaminate ng mga fertilizer or mga chemicals like yung mga pesticide. So, the last one is the prevents soil degradation. So, ang soil, nadadamage talaga siya over time. Pwede siyang tumigas, maging pack, or compaction, tumaas yung salinization, and then, pwede ding, it can lose natural stuff that keeps it, healthy. O yung mga natural stuff like yung mga organic matter. So, good soil management stop these problems from happening. Practicing like yung adding organic matter